A massage therapist too handsy with a patient, a doctor excessively prescribing pain pills, and a social worker arrested for threatening her family with a butcher knife. They're all still practicing, but if you search for their state licenses, you won't find any of that information. New tonight, one lawmaker tells ABC15 investigator Dave Biskobing that needs to change.
In Arizona, hundreds of punishments for health professionals are hidden from you every year. It's because state boards routinely give out something called non-disciplinary actions, and state law prohibits non-discipline from being posted on board websites. This is Linda Holt, and we first told her story 2 years ago.
It's a grinding, grueling, horrific pain that just wouldn't go away.
This is how her dentist left her. His punishment, a few new classes, and non-discipline. Meaning if you searched his name, you wouldn't have found anything about it.
The public needs to know. We have a right to know.
After our investigation, that changed, but just for dentists. Why? Senator Nancy Bartow introduced a bill to require all dental board actions to be posted on the website.
You know, as they say, sunshine is a great disinfectant.
Now Senator Bartow wants that level of transparency for all health boards.
I think there's a lot that the public is being denied, a lot of information the public is being denied.
We obtained non-disciplinary actions from just about every state health board going back 5 years. And how many did we find? 1,360. But that doesn't include numbers for nurses, one of the state's biggest boards, because officials there say they don't keep track, meaning the real total could be hundreds higher, if not more. It's all scrubbed from state boards' websites. Actions like this: a physical therapist fired for being drunk at work, a doctor caught making false statements in medical records, a social worker arrested and charged for domestic violence after grabbing a butcher knife and saying she was going to kill her husband and daughter. She's arrested for this and charged.
Wow. You know, these are the kinds of things that we hope is not going to continue to be hidden.
Even though this seems like a no-brainer for lawmakers, Governor Doug Ducey actually vetoed a bill that would have made this all public last year. His reason? He wrote the bill and health board reforms haven't gone far enough and more needed to be done.
My hope is that this time we will not get a veto. I'm hopeful that we can work together and get it done.
I'm investigator Dave Biskobing, ABC 15 News.
Senator Bartow's new bill should be introduced by the end of the day. And as for the governor, his staff says they will work with lawmakers to make sure reforms that failed last time make it through this year.